What is up, amigos? Today we are looking at how many Chupa Chups a little drone can carry. So we have all these Chupa Chups here. We have cola, that's my favorite. Watermelon, that's pretty good too. Then this is vanilla, I think. Milk vanilla thing. Another cola, that's pretty good. Then a raspberry at the bottom. So how many of these can this lift up? This is a tiny little drone. It's pretty cheap. So I think it's pretty indicative of how a regular drone is that most people do have. And I have a wind meter here. It's pretty warm today. It's 33 degrees Celsius. You can see here, there is almost no, oh, now it's springing up a little bit. Can you see that? So 0 meters per second at the moment, going up to 1.1 meter per second. So a few gusts. So let's see how many of these bad boys this can lift up. Okay, so the UAV or the little drone is right there, and I have the controller. And let's get this bad boy up in the air. I don't actually know how this will go because, okay, so we have the drone right, where is it? Here it is, right there. It has Chupa Chups underneath, you can see the LEDs on. Let's get this bad boy in there and see how many it can lift. So let's go as high as we can. It's like just 4. So it's struggling with 4. Once we get to 4, it just like pulls it down. So I'm gonna say 3 Chupa Chups quite comfortably. You can see there it's hovering at 3. I'm not trying to push it any higher. That's pretty decent. So that means that let's say you have like 3 people who need help, they need aid. This can aid 3 people at once. You can drop off a little Chupa Chup to each person. And fun fact, I didn't know that Chupa Chups come from the word chupar in Spanish, which means to suck. So let's see if it can rescue me. Okay, so we have the drone just around there, and I'm gonna be sitting up there. See if we can get aid to me. Chupa Chup me, I'm ready to be saved. Okay, so we have the drone just here. It's a bit hard to see, but I'm gonna be sitting up there and see if we can get some aid to me. I'm ready to be saved. Chupa Chup me. It's snagged. The theory was good, but it got snagged. Look, I'll bring you over. The Chupa Chup got snagged on this little thing, so in theory, this thing might work to help people in aid, but it needs to be reworked, and I think once we do that, we've got $1 billion idea there. So what did we learn today? We learned that a drone which only weighs 89 grams can lift 3 Chupa Chups, which is 36 grams. That's really good. That's 40% of its payload. And to give you an idea, like if you were to go on a regular airliner can only carry like 30% of the payload. So this is better than a regular airliner. And when you think about it, this drone costs like 40, 50 bucks. A ticket anywhere in the world is gonna cost more than 40, 50 bucks. So this is a win. That's what I'm saying. So that's in this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, amigos.